Classroom.
Classroom. We are students.
Students. I am a teacher.
Teacher.
I am a teacher's aide.
Teacher's aide.
I'm a teacher's aide.
Teacher's aide.
This is a pencil. That is a book. This is a desk. That is a ruler. This that.
This is a cafeteria. Cafeteria.
This is an office. Office. This is a secretary. Secretary.
I am a principal. Principal.
This is a gym. Gym.
This is a hallway.
Hallway.
I am a boy. Boy. I am a girl. Girl.
Girl.
Boy.
Girl.
Boy.
Girls.
Boys.
This is a boys' bathroom. Boys' bathroom. This is a sink. Sink. Come on. This is a toilet. Toilet.
This is the girls' bathroom. Girls' bathroom.
I am a woman. Woman.
I am a man. Man.
Woman.
Man.
Woman.
Man.
Women. Women.
Men. Men.
This is the women's bathroom. Women's bathroom.
This is the men's bathroom. Men's bathroom.
This is a drinking fountain. Drinking fountain.
I am a custodian. Custodian.
Classes. Classes.
This is a math class. Math class.
This is a science class. Science class.
This is a PE class. PE class.
This is a social studies class. Social studies. This is a language arts class. Language arts. This is an art class. Art class. This is a music class. Music.
This is a library. Library.
This is a track. Track.
This is a soccer field. Soccer field. I am a coach. Coach.
A pencil. Pencil. A book.
A book. Book. An eraser.
An eraser. Eraser. An envelope.
An envelope. Envelope. Thank you, Joe.
You're welcome.
A before consonants, and before vowels. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Consonants. Pencil. A pencil. Eraser. An eraser. Consonants. Vowel.
Please do this worksheet.
Pencils. Erasers. Pencils. Erasers. Joe?
This is a backpack. Backpack. Backpack.
That is a backpack. Backpack.
These are backpacks. Backpacks.
These or those are backpacks. Backpacks. This is a pen.
That is a pen. Pen.
These are pens. Pens.
Those are pens. Pens.
This is a backpack. That is an eraser. These are pens. Those are pencils.
This is a book. Book. Isabel, what is this?
That is a book. Book.
Oscar?
What are these?
Those are rulers.
These are rulers. Rulers.
This is a piece of paper. Sam, what is this?
That is a piece of paper. Paper.
Good, Sam.
Good.
Teresa?
What are these?
Those are calculators.
These are calculators. Calculators.
This is a stapler. Stapler.
This is a staple.
Staple. These are paper clips. Paper clips.
These are notebooks. Notebooks.
This is a binder. Binder.
This is a globe. Globe.
That is a whiteboard. Whiteboard.
Those are markers. Markers.
This is a map. Map.
These are windows. Windows.
These are chairs. Chairs. That is a table. Table. And this is a garbage can. Garbage can. This is a floor. Floor.
That is a ceiling. Ceiling.
This is a door. Door.
This is tape. Tape.
This is glue. Glue.
This is a computer. Computer.
Flag. Flag.
Please do this homework. Then, take this quiz. Now, do this worksheet. And this homework. Then, take this quiz.